Alright guys, come along with me as I ride the moto to go take my cooking class in Kigali. And we are at the local shop purchasing green bananas, Irish potatoes, cabbage, and other products to cook. Everyone you see in this class is from different places. You have France, UK, Germany, US, and so much more. We are laughing because the pot is too small for all the ingredients at first, but it gets better. I was super excited about the motoke as we eat green bananas in Jamaica. This class is great for beginner cooks, professional chefs, and individuals that just love to cook. He's mixing the Irish potatoes and stew. The moment you realize she's true to this, not new to this, that pot was hot. In this dish, you have cassava leaves and peanut butter, known as asam. The food we cooked was very plentiful. So, as a part of this class, the food we cooked is also ate by the people who do the walking tour and come to our house and enjoy the meal with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And our cooking class is finished. I walked back to the Women's Center and wait on another moto to get back to my hotel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.